In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Ghost of Tsushima on keyboard and mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Ghost of Tsushima was officially released for PC. You will be able to play through the entirety of the game, including multiplayer, and you will be able to play natively using a keyboard and mouse combo. The settings are going to be adjusted by default, so you don't even have to worry, but you can customize them to your own liking if you prefer. And of course, you can also connect a controller if you prefer to play that way. So when you boot up Ghost of Tsushima on PC, you are basically good to go. The game is going to teach you how to play, but I'm still gonna go over some of the default movement and combat keys so you are aware. So to move, you will be using WASD as usual. You can jump with the spacebar, run with left shift, walk with caps lock, and then interact and crouch with E and C respectively. You can use your abilities like focus with the middle mouse button, H to call your horse, G for guiding wind, and Y to play your flute. Now for combat, you will be using your mouse, so left click and right click for quick and heavy attacks respectively. You can dodge with left control, and you will have options to block, heal, use your special ability, and stand off with Q, Z, V, and X respectively. You can change your stance with T, and you can choose between stances like stone, water, wind, and moon with 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can aim with left alt, and you can shoot with the left click while aiming. Like I said, there are a lot of controls to go over. In this video, I'm not going to narrate all of them, but if you go over to the control settings, you will be able to find the default control scheme in there. You can map those buttons to different keys on your keyboard, and if you prefer, you can connect the keyboard. But you don't have to worry. When you boot up Ghost of Tsushima, you will be guided through the process of playing with a keyboard and mouse exclusively. With the port to PC, it features full native keyboard and mouse support, and a lot of players actually prefer to play this way. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Ghost of Tsushima on keyboard and mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.